In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Teams on a Windows laptop. Signing out is useful if you're switching accounts, sharing a device, or simply want to make sure your work account stays secure when you're done for the day. The process is quick and simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. To begin, make sure Microsoft Teams is open on your Windows laptop. If it's not already running, you can launch it from the Start menu or by clicking the Teams icon on your taskbar or desktop. Once Teams is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menus and options are available. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Microsoft Teams window. This is where you'll see your profile picture, or, if you haven't set one, your initials inside a small circle. This profile icon gives you access to your account settings and status options. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. When the menu appears, you'll see several options related to your account, such as your current status, settings, and other preferences. Look through this list until you find the Sign Out option. This option is specifically designed to log you out of your Microsoft Teams account without uninstalling the app or affecting other Microsoft services on your laptop. Go ahead and click Sign Out. After you do this, Microsoft Teams will begin the sign out process. Within a few seconds, you'll be taken back to the Teams sign-in screen. This confirms that you've successfully signed out and that your account is no longer active on the app. At this point, it's safe to close the Microsoft Teams window if you're finished using it. If you're planning to sign in again later, you can simply leave the app installed and log back in whenever you're ready. If you're on a shared or public computer, signing out like this helps protect your messages, files, and meeting information from being accessed by someone else. It's also worth noting that signing out of Microsoft Teams does not delete any of your data or remove your account from your organization. All your chats, channels, and files will still be there the next time you sign in. This makes signing out a safe and recommended habit, especially when working remotely or on shared devices. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to sign out of Microsoft Teams on a Windows laptop quickly and securely. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.